LifeLock Credit Repair Honest Review. Watch before using. Links to products were added to the description. In this video, I'm breaking down how LifeLock works, what you actually get, and whether it's worth using if your goal is to improve and protect your credit. First, you need to understand that LifeLock is not a traditional credit repair service. It doesn't actively dispute negative items on your behalf. Instead, it focuses on identity theft protection and credit monitoring, giving you the tools and alerts needed to manage your credit more effectively. One of the key features is credit monitoring. Depending on your plan, you can track activity from one or all three major credit bureaus, including Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. This gives you a full overview of your credit profile, allowing you to monitor your score, track changes, and identify potential errors or suspicious activity early. Regular updates and alerts keep you informed about new accounts, credit inquiries, and any changes that might impact your score. Where LifeLock really stands out is its identity protection system. It continuously scans for your personal information across various data sources, including the dark web, public records, and data breaches. If your information is compromised, you'll receive immediate alerts. In addition, LifeLock offers identity theft insurance and restoration support, meaning if something goes wrong, you have experts to help recover your identity and financial losses, which is a major advantage compared to basic credit monitoring tools. Another important feature is its security ecosystem, especially when bundled with Norton products. This combination provides device security, VPN access, and protection against online threats, which indirectly helps protect your financial and credit data from being exposed in the first place. This makes LifeLock more of a full digital security solution rather than just a credit tool. However, when it comes to credit repair, LifeLock is more of a monitoring and prevention platform. You still need to take action yourself if you find inaccurate information on your credit report. The service gives you the insights and alerts, sets, but not hands-on dispute management like dedicated credit repair companies. In terms of usability, LifeLock is designed to be user-friendly, with a dashboard that clearly shows your alerts, credit score, and risk level. It's suitable for beginners who want peace of mind, as well as experienced users who prioritize security. Overall, LifeLock is best for people who want strong identity protection combined with credit monitoring, rather than a done-for-you credit repair service. If your goal is to stay protected, detect fraud early, and manage your credit proactively, it's a solid option. But if you're looking for aggressive credit repair services, you may need to look elsewhere.